How y'all doing today? This is Weaver Stonehouse Farms, and we're here to do a
hive inspection. We're overdue on our nuke inspection because we've been making hay this week. Me, him, and our 5 daughters put in 200 bales. So we're going in now. We're going to add the second brood box. I have some old comb from last year's colonies to give these guys a head start. So we're going to check how they're doing.
Yep, one of the other things we found that's been working for us, we left, that's the feeder.
Yeah.
So you can scoot in, Ken. We left the feeder near their hive where we put them. And they're coming over here and feeding, so let's go do that.
Okay, grab the box.
Let that sit.
Okay, when you approach the hive,
Okay,
you
you
get
got
a
it?
couple puffs of smoke. I'm gonna hold the smoker.
Yeah, let me get upstream on the smoking. Yeah, I got an idea. Since we have this wonderful board to work off of, why don't we lay this here?
Okay, let's take a peek and see how these guys are doing. Okay, that's good. Slow down. When you smoke bees, it stimulates them to think that there is a wildfire, so they start eating.
And therefore that means that they won't sting you?
Well, they'll
They'll
try not
just
to.
pay less attention to you. Okay, so they've started making some comb, but this was a stop smoking.
Okay.
This was a very small nuke. Can you get the smoke out of my face?
Yes.
Thank you. This was a very small nuke to begin with. I'm just gonna lay this down here. Okay.
Hello, Ariel.
So they are building comb.
Oh, good. They did build that out.
Yeah.
Do you see a clean on that?
I didn't look. I'm just trying to see how they're doing. Get the smoke out of here. Okay, I've never really had bees that like foundation,
These do.
but they are building on it.
That's the foundation, the plastic board.
Yeah, the plastic board is foundation.
Or it can be metal or used up
No,
wax.
it's plastic.
Excuse me, smoker.
Okay, now we are checking
Ooh, there's a lot on
for
there.
brood and larva. Stop smoking. My partner loves to use lots and lots of smoke.
Yes.
So if you look at this, I can't, let me see what's on this side. Okay, you have capped brood. There is pollen and there's honey in the corner. So we know that somewhere there is an active queen because there's eggs and there is brood.
Where's which one's which? I can point while you're holding.
Okay.
So that's eggs.
The multicolored ones right here in that blank spot, that is pollen.
Okay.
The ones that are capped flat, that is capped brood. And then if you look, if you can see inside, there's almost like little grub-looking slugs. And there's a bee on inside my veil.
Oh, lovely.
He's inside, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Walk away.
Excuse me, while I'm up on the hill.
These are pretty calm bees.
Well, yeah, the Amish worked around them, so they're more handled, I guess. Because they bought these.
Just pull the whole thing off.
Listen to that. That is cool sounding. They aren't really bothering me here, are they? Mm-mm. Now, I'm guessing... They elsewhere look like.
Okay.
Except that one looks larger. I think that might be a drum.
Stop.
The one with the more black.
Okay.
I will tell you when I need smoke. Are you still recording?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am, Mom.
Okay.
Next. Piece.
Next.
Ooh, hello, Mr. Honeybees.
That's a
Oh,
is
they
that
have lots
a,
of.
is that a queen thing down on the bottom? No.
No, that's just a.
Extension.
Yeah, they're starting to want more room. I'm not the greatest at spotting the queen yet. That takes lots of practice. Careful,
Let me
Kens.
look over here.
Well, the queen's usually surrounded by a swarm, and she's probably not going to be moving the most.
Okay.
It looks like they're still building in the corners where I am.
They are. This one isn't completely filled up yet.
Yeah, look. When you look for the queen, look for the one that isn't moving fast.
The queen's going to have
Bigger
a
and
bald
slow.
back and is bigger and slower with smaller wings.
But she can still use them.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Most definitely. And you'll probably be surrounded by a bunch of other bees.
Sorry, you got these on.
Okay.
Clump of bees.
Yeah.
Hello.
There's a heck of a lot of them down here at the bottom. You know what? She might be down here. Stand it up. See that?
Woo!
I don't know.
She might have been on that one. See that piece hanging down? There's a column on the bottom. Lift up a second.
Kens, be careful.
I am.
I wonder if she's in on those or they're just trying to build.
I don't know.
Does it look like that's fresh or not?
Yes, that is fresh.
'Cause it's
Brand
almost
new
wet.
beeswax is very light colored.
Like that there, right?
Yes. The more times they reuse it,
See, that's what I'm saying. A piece hanging on the bottom of both corners. And in the middle, too. That's weird.
but they don't like building on foundation.
They like to build their own.
Yeah.
That's one of the frames we put in for them, right?
Yeah, this is one of the frames we put in. Once again, it's a foundation frame, but they haven't really touched it. Yeah, they haven't really. This is all, see, this is darker, this is older beeswax, but they will clean up these cells and use it.
So they need a big box.
I'm gonna put the second box on, yeah, because they need to expand. And it can be disappointing when you don't see the queen, but there are different stages of larvae there, so we know that she is active.
And healthy. So.
So you have to remember where you took the frame out and put it back. If there was brood, you'd have to put it back.
Put back that piece of broke off, don't worry about it.
Yeah, 'cause I can't put it back.
Okay, I'm gonna back up for a second. Girls, back up.
Okay.
This is the part where they get
When you put your box on or a lid, you put it sideways, and then you slowly scoot it into place. So you hopefully give any bees a chance to get out of the way. Now this is a 10 frame, and I only have 9 frames in it to give them a little bit of room to work, and so it's not so heavy when I go to inspect it next time.
Okay. Do we want to put in the feeder? Or?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna just slide that in there.
Baby, please.
Okay. And there we did a quick hive inspection and added a brood box.
Thanks so much for watching Weaver Stonehouse Farm again. See you next time.